Intellectual property refers to the creation of the mind, such as invention, literary work, artistic, name, image that used in commons. Intellectual property such as patent, trademark, industrial design and copyrights. That's why we invited 3 panel to discuss on this topic, intellectual property, on Ladies Talk. No gossip-gossip. So today we have a 3 panel. The first panel is Miss Kayla Berahim. The second one, Miss Izzah Karim. And the last one is Miss Bella Halim. Okay, we will start on copyright first. So, Miss Kayla, what does mean on copyright and how does copyright protect?
Okay, first of all, thank you, Miss Faezah, for inviting me to this program. Actually, copyright is the exclusive right given to the owner of a copyright for a specific period. Copyright protection in Malaysia is governed by the Copyright Act 1987. There is no system of registration for copyright in Malaysia.
Then, how the audience can apply the copyright?
There is some flow for application for notification of copyright. Okay, there is 2 types, which is notification of works and notification of derivative work. First, for notification work, you must fill Form CR1, statutory declaration, a copy of work and some fee. Okay, the second is notification of derivative work. You must fill the Form CR2, statutory declaration, a copy of work, related document and also some fee. Then there is some other request that you want. Okay, it depend to you. Okay, then this admission certificate for examination of the register. There is 8 types. There is other form. So it also includes some fees. Okay, for the fees, you can refer to my IPO website. Okay. After that, you have to choose. That is, you want go through to our counter by your own self or with representative. Okay. If we with representative, you must pay some fees and fill Form CR3. Okay. After that, you go to the counter, some usual procedure. Then we will record your applicant. The last is a notice will be sent to the applicant that the information and the work has been recorded in the register.
Oh, I see. The flow for register is an easy way to register. So, what is the copyright tribunal?
Okay, copyright tribunal. The Malaysia Copyright Act provide for a copyright tribunal whose function is to grant license to produce and publish the national language to translation of a literary work written in any other language, and its attribution of dispute relating to use of copyright works. Okay, that's all.
Okay, thank you, Miss Kayla.
Okay.
Okay, audience, we take break for a while. Stay tuned. Hey Ellen, I want to make a new song. Do you know how I can protect my music?
Oh yeah, I saw in the commercial on the TV. They said the show is Ladies Talk. They talk about copyright and how to protect. Maybe you can protect your music. The show is on 8 o'clock in channel 10, I think.
Oh, really? Alright, tonight I will see it. Thank you, Bella.
Right?
Now I will sound this music. Okay, we come back for this topic. Okay, we will proceed to Miss Izzah. As we know, we have international brands such as Gucci, Guess. So, this brand have a trademark, and how does it work?
Miss Faezah, as your information, and thank you for the question. Yes, we have. For something that you asked, we have trademark. Trademark, what can I say, is a sign which distinguish the goods and service of one trader from another. What can I give you an example? As example, the trademark for this phone. This phone has a trademark. Did you know?
Oh, I don't know.
The Asus ASUS is the trademark of this phone. The trademark can be include words, logo, picture, name, letter, number, or any combination of this. And trademark is used for marketing. With trademark, we can make a differences between one company, one product from another product. That's trademark. That's function. And with trademark, we can get two important thing. Two important, that is the exclusive right and then the legal evidence. If we have the trademark for our company and for our product, then we can take a legal action or civil action under the Trade Description Act 1972. Okay, that's.
Oh, the interesting explanation. So, as we know, the patent, then how the company or entrepreneur to do the trademark? Is any application or add to trademark?
Okay, at my IPO, yes, we have the procedure for the application of trademark. But before we do the application, I advise user or any company to make a search before application of the trademark. This search is to what can I say, is to avoid we apply the identical or similar trademark that has been filled before. That's the use of search. And the search can be done at public search room at my IPO, and the search is have the fee about RM120 per hour. And then after done with the search and no other company have the trademark as what we have, then the customer can follow the procedure. There is 5 simple steps of procedure to application the trademark. But if the application have something the opposition of another company or anything, then procedure will have to take action from the High Court that involve the intellectual property. The simple step is, first, the application, we for the TM5, the number of form is TM5, and then the formality checking, and then the search and examination. After that, after the examination, we gazette the trademark to another. Then again, we will get the certificate of the trademark. That's all.
Okay, thank you, Miss Izzah. Okay, we will break for a while and stay tuned.
Hi, Kila.
Hi.
What are you doing?
No, nothing. I'm just waiting for you.
So sweet. This bag, where did you buy this bag?
Oh, I have designed this bag by my own self.
Really?
Yes. Is it nice?
Yes, it's nice.
I think I want commercial it. Do you think that I will get profit with it?
Um, can I try it first?
Of course. Okay. What do you think?
As my own opinion, you can make profit with this bag. Yes,
Okay.
absolutely. But before you commercial this bag, I think you should patent it.
How?
You patent your own design.
How? How I can patent this bag?
The procedure and everything you can search at my iPod. But for more information, you should watch Girls Talk at TV10 tonight.
Oh, really?
Yes.
I definitely will watch it.
Okay. I really you suggest to watch the that channel.
Okay, thank you for your suggestion.
Can you
Give
give
my-
me free one after you design commercial this bag?
If God will.
Okay, we come back and we will proceed on patent. Okay, Miss Bella. Okay, we have here the meaning of copyright, trademark. So now, what is mean by patent, and what is differentiate between patent, copyright, and trademark? Can you explain?
Okay, first of all, thank you for inviting me for this program. Okay, what is patent and what is trademark? Based from Izzah's explanation, trademark is a sign, a symbolic sign that distinguish between one trader to another. As for patent, the difference between trademark and patent is a right for an invention which is a product or a process. This patent will help the inventor to protect their product. Okay.
What are the example of patent? Can you explain?
Okay. Example that have in Malaysia, as we can see, is our one scarf in Malaysia, which is Farida scarf. Farida scarf has patent design of scarf, and that scarf will be differentiate from other brand scarf that way.
How does the company to make the patent on the design?
The procedure, first one is whoever want to register the patent, they can register by individual, or maybe they can register by a company. And between that, they also can register with an agent. There will be an agent to register the patent. Okay, the first step will be the person need to fill up the form 1. There's a name form 1. And then from that, there will be a filing date. The filing date will be issued when there is a application from a person, application for the patent. After that, after we issue the filing date, there will be an examination. Examination will be conducted upon the receipt of the date issue. If they fail, then they have to do the correction, and they will take about 3 months. Okay. After examination, they will be laid open for the public inspection. After the public inspection, the request for substantive and modified examination, and then after that, another exam, substantive examination, and after that, they will be continue to the grant certificate issue. Certificate of grant issue, okay, I must say. Then they will gazette announced to the public. That is so much work to do. And if people are confused with the step that I just mentioned, maybe can open the website, and there will be a flow chart from the beside. Yeah.
Okay, now we can conclude for our topic today. So, copyright, patent and trademark is easy to register. We can go through to My IPO office. Then, for user, they can get more information on My IPO's website. Just click. Then you can get more information. Okay, that's all for today, and we meet next week with new panel and new topic. Bye.